What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we will be discussing how to install Windows from your memory stick as we planned before through our previous videos. So if you have been following along, I've done the tutorial regarding how to download Windows 10, how to even use the software Rufus to create your bootable memory stick. So now we're just gonna put everything all in one place and install Windows 10. For this demonstration, guys, I will be using a laptop and it's currently off, and I have backed up everything that I need from the laptop. I just need to install the system only, so stick around. First things first, plug in your memory stick into any USB port on your laptop or your desktop, and then in this case, switch it on. Press escape for HP to show the boot or BIOS setting. Keep tapping escape. Once you've successfully pressed escape, you will see some couple of options for your system. So if you want to install Windows 10, you are going to look at the boot menu. So on the shortcut for that is F9 on HP. It may be different based on your laptop or your manufacturer's laptop. So in this case, I'll be pressing F9 boot menu. And then after that, I want to locate my memory stick. So in this case, I've used the JetFlash Mass Storage device, and I'm gonna click that to start the boot progress. Once you press enter, your system will boot again into your memory stick so that it can access the operating system files. Give it a few minutes, and I will be back on the desktop view so that we can see everything clearly. Alrighty guys, after selecting your memory stick from the boot option menu, you should be greeted by this screen. This is where you're going to be choosing your language and your region. So in this case, I will be choosing the language to install. I'll leave it as default, and any other option, I will leave them as default. Click next to continue. Click on install now. Give the system a few minutes to start up, and then you will be greeted by this activation screen. For this demonstration, I do not have a product key, so I will click on I do not have product key. Accept the terms and conditions of using the Windows 10 image. Then click next. If you have a Windows 8 system and then you want to upgrade to Windows 10, this is where you can click, and then from there onwards it will just upgrade your system without losing your data, your system settings, or your file or applications that you installed. So if you want to go through with such an installation, click on the first button. But in this case, we are focusing on somebody who doesn't have a system installed. They just brought a new hard drive and then they just changed it, and then now they want to install a system on it. If you have a PC like that, or maybe you just want to start up fresh again, just click on the one that says custom Windows install only. Alright guys, select your hard drive that you have installed on your laptop. In this case, my laptop has 60 gigs of storage installed or allocated to it, and then I'm just going to click on next. Remember, if you want to format your hard drive, you can just simply click format. If you want to delete all the partitions, you can just click on delete, and then once it's done, it will ask you to create a new partition. So in this case, if you want to follow along, just click on delete. If you don't have anything on that hard drive that you don't need, or it's a brand new hard drive, or you just bought it and then you find these files, the best thing to do before installing your new system is to delete these partitions so that you can install your system on a fresh hard drive without anyone else's data or any pre-recorded data on the hard drive. So just delete the partitions, and then after you're done, you can click on new to create a new partition. Click on apply. After clicking apply, click on OK. A system reserve hard drive is created as soon as you click OK, and then after that you will see a partition to where you will be installing your Windows 10 on. So click on partition 2 and then click on next. Now Windows 10 is getting ready to be installed. The files are being extracted, and then I will be back as soon as this is done. Alright guys, as soon as your PC is done with installing the Windows 10 files, it will restart a couple of times, so I will be back as soon as this is done. This is the process where the Windows 10 is getting configured on your laptop to work with your PC and your hardware. So give it a few minutes or so to configure. As soon as it's done, we will be back. Alright guys, as soon as your PC is done with the configuration of Windows 10, we get a welcome screen where we're going to choose our country and other settings as well. So follow along. I will be choosing my region as South Africa. Then click yes. Then I'm going to leave my keyboard layout as default, which is US. So yes. I'm going to skip this process of adding another keyboard layout. Okay guys, it is advised that if you want to install Windows with all its latest features, you have to have internet connectivity, and this is the stage where your PC will look for the internet to download the important Windows updates for you from the get-go. So we will be back as soon as it's done loading. Alright guys, after the system is done loading, you will be greeted by this privacy settings page, and then you just have to click on accept. Give your PC a couple of minutes for it to just boot up and set up everything for you. Once that is done, we will be logged into a Windows 10, and then we can start using the operating system as we wish. After the system is done loading, you will have to click on yes on the network configuration settings to allow your PC to be seen by other computers on your network. Click on yes. Alright guys, now welcome to Windows 10, and this is how you can install Windows 10 without the help of a professional or a technician. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you on the next video. And remember guys, each one teach one.